In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Filmora 13 to create some Valentine's Day introduction and animation to enhance your video. You can also just create a short animation to send it to your significant other or loved ones. Let's dive in. To get the Valentine's Day effect, head on over to Effects and go to Overlay. As you scroll down, you will see Valentine's Days and Hot. So you can select any of these. There are many. Now a lot of these are not free, and if you download some of these, let's say just drag this over here. Okay, Filmora will let you know that this is a limited time free asset that you can try for a few days up to the 20th of February, or you can purchase it. So let's see what we have over here. So we have some love shapes, and it is as simple as that if you want to have some simple effects. Now this one doesn't look so nice. I have actually tried this and it looks a lot better. And this is the effect that you get. Okay, and you can trim that as you would any other video effect. Okay, and if you double click on this effect, you can change the opacity as well as keyframe this effect. So for example, you may want to start off with this subtly, and then as your video plays, it becomes stronger. Okay, so you can have something like this. Alright, now this is the first type of effect using the overlay. Now there's a different kind of effect that have something like a masking effect. It looks something like this. So this is the overlay on top. Okay, let me hide the overlay. So it is a combination of this video on the top here, which is a man, and let me hide that video. And then at the bottom you have this lady over here. Now by just showing you this, you practically know how to use this effect, but let's do this step by step. Okay, so this is the type 2 of effect where you have overlay with some cutouts. So you can put your video or a photo behind to create this effect. So what I did is that I have used this overlay. It is called Valentine's Day 2024 overlay number 8. And let me show you how I did this. Okay, I'm going to delete the track. Let's go to my media. I am going to bring this happy man over here because he's celebrating Valentine's Day with the love of his life. So I'm going to hide this first. Okay, as you can see, the man is out of position, so we need to position him somewhere here. Okay, and let's turn back the overlay. So you notice that there is something off over here because it is not positioned correctly. And furthermore, the frame here actually cuts into the heart shape on the right. So what we need to do is to apply a mask, and I'm just going to choose a linear mask. Okay, apply the mask and extend it over here. Next, we're going to drag in this lady into the section. Now again, you can see that this lady isn't positioned correctly, so we will position her somewhere here. And we're going to trim the clip off. Okay, now I've added a transition over here, which is just a dissolve. So if you want to make this effect look better, we're just going to add 2 more dissolves over here so that all the tracks dissolve and come in at the same time. So we have covered 2 types of Valentine's Day effects. Now the third one is just a text overlay. This is quite simple. To get this effect, you head on over to Titles, and in the Titles tab, head on over to Valentine's Day, and you have all kinds of effects that you can use, and these are mainly text or title effects. Okay, so let's say for this, I can just drag this down. Okay, got it. Okay, so you can have this, and sometimes some of the words are black in color, so you can't see it. But what you can do is go to Stock Media, go to the library, go to white color, drag a white color behind so that you can see everything. Okay, so there's a Valentine's frame, so there's a different title over here. Now if you want to use it, you can just change the text, okay, by double clicking on it. If you do not want to use it, you can delete it. So let's change this to use this instead. Jack and Rose. For the second one, I'm going to delete this. Okay. Apply, remove this, and well, this is one type of titles. Okay. If you want something different, you can have something that looks like this. Okay, something that looks like this as well. Alright, so I hope that you have learned something useful today. I hope that you use this for your loved ones. Make a quick introduction for your video for this Valentine's Day season. If you like this video, do give it a thumbs up and check out the links in the description if you are interested to get Filmora with a discount. And check out what's on the screen right now for the next Filmora tip.